She's not happy with the microblading done by the beautician at the site of her hairline, which is not natural and looks like a tattoo. Indication here today is lowering hairline and also to camouflage the tattoo look at the side of the head, and we are using the smart FUE technique. This is the area where the microblading was done and patient was not happy. It's not natural and it looks like a tattoo. So indication is lowering hairline by 2 cm. From this point to this point it's about 4 cm, and at the corner here too where the microblading is, from here to here also is 4 cm. Now it's just 24 hours after the procedure. We just completed the smart graft care and we can see all the graft is in place. There's no bleeding, there's no dislodgement, and we have succeeded to camouflage the tattoo area, and patient is very happy. She wanted this hairline and we re-achieved and gave her what a hairline that she dreamed of.
I'm very happy I can hide my microblading. Thank you, Dato.